Hey everybody, there she is. I got her idled down a little bit too low. I gotta do the fuel air mixture. That's what she sounds like, everybody. I gotta idle her back up. She's mad at me. We're down here at Dobbins Landing, Erie, PA. Taking a look. I've been bringing the things back. Like this right here was all blacked out. That was all blacked out right here. On the other side, I didn't do the door handle yet, but I did the keys lock right here. See, it's black still. Still got to do it. Yep. Yeah, please like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see. Everybody thinks that's beautiful how she's all satin blacked out, like murdered. That's what they call it. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see. Look at the interior in this thing.
Amazing moments happen so much at SiriusXM.
You can go for a ride. Come take a ride with me. Yeah. You got it running good. Yeah, please like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see. This is my daily driver, everybody. My truck needs some repairs, so I'm gonna pull it off the road. I had to get this up and running. So it'd be a nice daily driver. Look at the sunset there. Dang, this thing is touchy. Dobbins Landing coming back up. They're doing a little bit of road construction. You can either go right or left. They're saying you gotta go this way now. They used to have it to where you could go the other way. Or you can go the other way, they just don't promote it. They don't want to get overwhelmed with too much traffic. This car rides like you would not believe. It's got 65,097. That's what it's got, 65,000.